Welcome to the DSLR Filmmaking course, and I'm very excited that you're here. My name is Jordi, I'm a filmmaker from Belgium, and we mostly make commercials, promotional films, and event films. All of our work is shot on DSLRs, as we love to work with these cameras so much. They're compact, produce great image, and are super versatile. Now, some of you might know me from YouTube. We run also a channel by the name of Cinecom, where we share all kinds of Premiere tutorials, camera tips, lighting techniques, and more. So if you haven't seen our channel yet, definitely check it out or just visit cinecom.net. Now, I've been to film school. I've learned filmmaking in a very academic way, but created my own style very quickly afterwards. I've made tons of promotional films over the years and have created more than 30 online courses for filmmakers. And I'm very excited now to release my first DSLR videography course. I've been brainstorming a long time about this course, and a lot of hours, days and nights went into the preparation of it. Now, I'm very positive about the information and structure of the course. I'm going to take you on an amazing journey of professional DSLR videography. Now, while you're following this course, it could be a good idea to also have your camera in your hands. This course is also designed that way. For example, while I explain how framing works, you can practice along by just pointing your camera to something on your desk as well. The best way to learn new things is by practicing it, and that's why I also find some tasks during this course. I might ask you to film something and try out some of the techniques explained. In the first chapter, we'll cover the basic settings of a DSLR camera. And if you already know how ISO and shutter speed works, then you can skip this. But it's very important to understand these basics well before we dive into the visual storytelling techniques. Besides, you might come across some new things, so it can never hurt to repeat. In Chapter 2, we'll cover those techniques and have a look at how framing works and how to connect different shots together to add more dynamic to your films. As of Chapter 3, some more advanced techniques will be handled, like the psychology behind camera movement. I will help you to decide whether you should film on a tripod or just handheld, and how to create good-looking handheld shots as well. Finally, we'll turn on the lights and see how you can add more depth and emotion to your shots. Now, you don't need any expensive lights for this. Light is everywhere, whether that is the sun or some practical lighting in your living room. By knowing how it works, you know where to place the camera and position to the available lights. Now, if you bump into any questions during or after this course, please do use the discussion forums and I'll try to help you further as soon as I can. And if you're watching this course from 5-Day Deal or any other promotion, then you can always reach out to us via social media. Whether it's in the description or in a text file that came with this course, you'll find all the links in there. But enough with this introduction now, let's dive into the course.